Hello, D&D Club Wargamers. It's Cliff again. I'm doing one more video, this time way shorter. I'm sorry again about the length of the other one. I'm just going to show you how to use this stuff here. All this is it's a really easy resource for getting all the models for Tabletop Simulator. It's basically going to just put them all in one place, so that way when you play games, it should speed up basically map selection and your model picking and all of that stuff. So the way it works is that on this website, TTS 40K, you can go down to here and it'll teach you everything you need to do. But I'm going to show you how to do it just in case, make it nice and easy with a video tutorial. So you need Tabletop Simulator, obviously. The Steam game, the game on Steam, is how we're going to be doing a lot of games. So having that will be kind of necessary anyways. But once you have that, you'll take this link to their GitHub. You'll get all the code as a zip file. Once that's done downloading, what you'll do is you're going to locate your saves for Tabletop Simulator. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you that now. So I am going to this PC, or I'm sorry, you go to Documents on this PC. Then you just go to your My Games file, go to Tabletop Simulator, and then once you have everything on the zip, I'm going to I already have this downloaded, so technically this is a redo for me, but you'll get the zip file, you'll extract these files to your desktop or anywhere that you know how to get to easily. I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again. But once you have them, you'll go into the saves zip within this file, and this is what you're going to want to do. You'll go into that, you'll copy all of this to your clipboard, and then remember how I said we're going to go find our My Games on our computer? So I'm going to go back to there and show you that again. So it's just My Games, Tabletop Simulator, Saves, and then you'll paste all of that stuff that you just put in right here. And now I've already done this, so replacing isn't going to do anything, but I'll do it anyways just so you can see it being done. And boom. That's really everything you need to do. So now, when you launch Tabletop Simulator, what you'll be able to do is go into your save and loads, and you'll see all these folders that have been added. These are new ones. So I've got all maps, terrains, tools, all the different things. So let's say, here we go. Let's go into here. Oh, look, all of the mainline Chaos Marine stuff. I've got all of my Necrons that I could ever need. I've got all of my Orcs. I've got specialist game stuff, which is fun for things like making kill team really easy, um, getting proper sized maps for your matches. Same thing for full size 40K, because here's our combat, patrol, incursion, onslaught, and strike force variant sizes. The size differences I do not remember off the top of my head, but the point is that you'll be able to get a really quick and easy like just way to load everything and anything you might need to play a match for the Crusade. Um, Now there will be a lot of stuff. These things will happen. It's just how it goes. If you continuously get errors, what you do is you boop 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 just close them. Oh look, now I've got a very fun thematic map for my tabletop games. Now there will be some things like these things that won't load. That's fine. It happens. You can get rid of them if you want. It's just most of the time it'll be things like visual effects. All the main models themselves will still load, no problem. And you'll have a really fun 40K map. And also, again, quick and easy access to whatever it is that you're going to be playing. All right. That's everything you'll need, really. And beyond that, have fun, everybody. Thanks.